Let's check the news from AWS. AWS announces an official source for AWS API model definition files and service model packages. This move enables developers to access API definitions for all AWS services. AWS publishes daily updates of these API models to an open-source GitHub repository in Smithy format, providing a reliable source for developers to work with. Additionally, the service model packages are published to Maven Central, making them easily accessible within integrated development environments. The public availability of AWS service models allows developers to utilize the same service model definitions that AWS uses for live services. This feature enables various use cases, including mock testing and evolving MCP server needs. Developers can now leverage open-source Smithy code generators to generate purpose-built AWS SDKs, further streamlining their development processes. AWS Control Tower now supports 7 new compliance frameworks, enabling customers to meet their compliance requirements faster and with higher confidence. Control Tower's control catalog, the central place for searching and enabling managed controls, has been updated to include CIS v8.0, FedRAMP R4, ISO IEC 27001:2013, Annex A, NIST CSF v1.1, NIST SP 800-171 R2, PCI DSS v4.0, and SSAE 18, SOC 2, October 2023 frameworks. These new frameworks can be accessed by navigating to the control catalog in AWS Control Tower and searching for a framework like PCI DSS v4.0 to view related controls. Programmatic access to these frameworks is also available through the new List Control Mappings API, which allows customers to search controls by frameworks, as well as updated list controls and get control APIs that support governed resources. Amazon Connect Outbound Campaigns has introduced new instance-level communication total limit control, providing businesses with greater flexibility in configuring their customer engagement strategies. This feature enables organizations to manage overall outbound communication limits across multiple campaigns, ensuring compliance with regulations such as the U.S. Telephone Consumer Protection Act. The enhanced limit control allows businesses to set a centralized approach to managing communication frequency, thereby avoiding over-contacting customers and potentially improving customer satisfaction. This instance-level total limit setting also enables companies to prioritize critical communications, such as fraud alerts or support during inclement weather, while still adhering to regulatory requirements. Available in the Africa and Europe AWS regions, this new feature is designed to enhance overall outbound communication effectiveness by providing greater control over instance-level limits. Amazon VPC IP Address Manager is now available in Asia-Pacific region, making it easier for you to plan, track, and monitor IP addresses for your AWS workloads. This service enables you to easily organize your IP addresses based on your routing and security needs, and set simple business rules to govern IP address assignments. With Amazon VPC IP Address Manager, you can automate IP address assignment to Amazon VPCs and VPC subnets, eliminating the need to use spreadsheet-based or homegrown IP address planning applications. Amazon Q Developer has announced support for Model Context Protocol in its integrated development environment plugins, allowing developers to utilize external tools to enhance their contextual development workflows. Developers can now augment the list of built-in tools with any MCP server that supports the STIO transport layer, providing more customized responses by orchestrating tasks across native and MCP server-based tools. MCP servers can be managed within the Q Developer user interface, making it easy to add or remove servers, and modify tool permissions, enabling developers to tailor their workflows according to their specific needs. The support for MCP is available in the Visual Studio Code and JetBrains IDE plugins, as well as Amazon Q Developer CLI. AWS Key Management Service has added support for post-quantum MLDSA digital signatures, providing customers with a solution to address emerging quantum computing threats. This feature enables organizations to protect sensitive information well into the foreseeable future, including after the advent of cryptographically relevant quantum computers. The new feature introduces 3 new key specs that work with the signing algorithm ML_DSA_shake_256, allowing for both raw signatures and pre-hashed variants. Existing key management service Kratiki and Sign APIs integrate seamlessly with MLDSA keys, preserving established automation processes, IAM and key management service key policies, auditing capabilities, and tagging workflows. This feature is generally available in certain AWS regions, including and with the remaining commercial AWS regions to follow in the coming days. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and, if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.